Alex had been playing the same game for 11 years. The same moves, the same mistakes, the same level. Every month he earned money, every month it disappeared, and every month he told himself next month would be different. It never was. Until one day Alex realized something that changed everything. He had been playing the money game his entire adult life, but nobody had ever given him the walkthrough. He was playing blind. And the people who figured it out early? They were not smarter than Alex. They just had the strategy guide he never knew existed. By the end of this video, you will have that strategy guide. Every level, every boss, every cheat code. Let's start. I'm Vish and welcome to vishinvest, where we talk about money with real-life examples. No hype, no shortcuts, just the stuff that actually works. Here is the first thing you need to understand. Money is not complicated. Money is a game. And like every game ever made, it has levels, it has bosses, it has power-ups, and it has cheat codes that most players never find. The problem is that nobody sits you down when you are 20 years old and says, here is the game you are playing, here are the rules, here is how you win. Instead, you are just dropped into the world with 0 coins, 0 skills, and 0 idea what you are doing. And then, the game starts, ready or not. Level 1 is called Survive. This is where Alex started. This is where almost everyone starts. You are just trying to keep enough money to make it to the next month. Rent, food, bills, every coin counts. The enemies at level 1 are lifestyle inflation the moment your income goes up even slightly, and your spending goes up with it. And impulse purchases the things that look small in the moment, but quietly drain your health bar every single day. A $6 coffee. A $14 lunch. A subscription you forgot was running. Individually harmless. Combined, they are the reason most people never leave level 1. The boss at level 1 is debt, and this boss is designed to follow you into every level if you do not defeat it here. Alex carried $12,000 in credit card debt at 22% interest for 4 years. He did not realize that debt was not just a number. It was a character in the game actively working against him every single month, taking a cut of every coin he earned before he ever touched it. The cheat code to beat level 1 is simple but brutal. Spend less than you earn. Every single month. No exceptions. Not forever. Just long enough to build 3 months of expenses and savings. That savings buffer is your extra life. Without it, one unexpected bill sends you back to 0. Level 2 is called Stability. This is where things start to feel different. The debt boss is defeated, or at least weakened. You have a small cash buffer. You are no longer panicking every time an unexpected expense arrives. But level 2 has its own trap, and almost everyone falls into it. Alex called it the comfort trap. You feel okay. You are surviving. You stop pushing. You start spending a little more the nicer apartment, the better car, the more expensive holidays because you feel like you earned it. And technically you did. But the comfort trap is the enemy that does not attack you directly. It just quietly stops you from progressing. You look up 3 years later and wonder why you are still in the same place. The power-up that unlocks level 3 is the emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account earning you interest while you sleep. This sounds boring. This is the unglamorous moment in the walkthrough where most players skip ahead and miss the most important save point in the entire game. Alex skipped it. Twice. He thought investing was more exciting. He was right, and it cost him $14,000 when his car and his laptop died in the same month, and he had nothing to fall back on. Build the emergency fund. Save the game. Then keep going. Level 3 is called Growth. This is where the game gets interesting. The enemies are no longer just bills and debt. The enemies at level 3 are invisible. They are called inflation and time. Every year that Alex kept his money sitting in a basic savings account, inflation quietly eroded its value. Every year he waited to start investing was a year of compound interest he would never get back. Here is the number that changed everything for Alex. If you invest $300 a month starting at 25, you will have approximately $1 million at retirement, assuming an 8% average annual return. If you wait until 35 and then invest $300 a month, same return, you will have roughly $440,000. Same effort, same money. 10 years difference. a gap of $560,000. Not because the math is unfair, because compound interest is the most powerful power-up in the entire game, and it only works while you are playing. Wait. Because what Alex found at level 3 is the thing that nobody tells you about. The game has a hidden mechanic that most players do not discover until it is almost too late. It is called the tax advantage. Most people invest in a normal account and pay full income tax on their gains every year. But the game has a secret door: retirement accounts, tax-advantaged investment vehicles where your gains compound without being taxed every year. It is like finding the hidden level in a game where the coins are worth triple. Alex did not know this door existed until he was 31. 9 years of full tax payments he did not have to make. The cheat code is this: always max out your tax-advantaged accounts before investing anywhere else. Always. Level 4 is called acceleration. This is where the game starts playing in your favor instead of against you. Alex reached level 4 at 34. His investments had been compounding for 9 years. His emergency fund was solid. His high-interest debt was gone. And then something happened that felt almost impossible the first time he saw it. His investment portfolio earned more in 1 month than he earned from working. Not a lot more, but more. His money was making money without him doing anything. And that is the moment the entire game changes. Because at level 4, the goal is no longer to earn enough from your job to cover your life. The goal is to build income streams that exist independently of your time. Dividends, rental income, index fund growth. These are not random financial words. These are the power-ups of level 4. Each one adds passive income to your life without requiring more of your hours. Alex's first passive income was $47 a month from dividends. Not life-changing, but it was proof that the system worked. It grew to $200 a month, then $800 a month. The number keeps growing while he sleeps. Level 5 is called freedom. This is the final level. And the boss here is the most surprising one in the entire game. It is not a market crash. It is not a recession. The final boss is your own mind. Because most people who reach level 5 who have enough passive income to cover their expenses do not actually stop. They have spent their entire life defining themselves by how hard they work, how much they earn, how busy they are. And when the game is essentially won, they do not know how to play differently. Alex is still working on this boss. He thinks most people will be. But the walkthrough says the same thing it always has. Know what you are playing for. Have a plan. Follow the system. Trust the process. Here is the complete walkthrough one more time. Level 1. Survive. Spend less than you earn. Defeat the debt boss. Build your first cash buffer. Level 2. Stability. Build the emergency fund. Save the game. Avoid the comfort trap. Level 3. Growth. Start investing immediately. Use every tax advantage available. Never let time be your enemy. Level 4. Acceleration. Build passive income streams. Let your money make money. Add power-ups every year. Level 5. Freedom. Know what you are playing for, and then actually play for it. The people winning at money are not geniuses. They are not lucky. They just found the walkthrough early. You now have it. The only question left is, which level are you on right now, and what is your next move? I'm Vish. This is vishinvest. If this changed how you see money today, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a video like this. And next, go watch our video on the 5 rules Warren Buffett learned from the intelligent investor. It's on your screen right now. I will see you there.